It's so dark. Here we go.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's much better. Yep.
So the power's just shut off. Everything's dead. Usually it comes back right away. It doesn't happen a lot, but it's happened a couple times. If you listen real close, quiet. That is the sound of the Mori spindle. It is very dark in here. It is.
I love when the power goes out. I know it's not practical, but it's so fun.
I like it, except when my machines are going.
It's very bright outside.
Yeah, so the bearings in the spindle are so good that it takes a very long time for it to actually spin down. Hopefully it's not really, it shouldn't really cause a problem. It's obviously not ideal, and there is the real possibility of it moving up or down when the power goes out, because you lose power to the servos, but I think it's good. We'll find out, I guess. Once/if the power comes on. Luckily it's 5 minutes to 5, and I think we're all thinking of taking off at 5, so this is kind of perfect. But I don't get my night run. This whole pallet is supposed to be finished by the time we get in the morning. And how's the lathe doing? Oh, perfect place. Check this out. So the sub spindle is in, it's clamped, the parting tool is halfway down. Luckily it's not in cut, but it's not really a nice place to leave it. Should be fine though. Just gotta be careful getting it undone, but oh, the joys of having a machine shop. Solar. Off the grid solar. Let's do that. Cool.
Oh, it's back.
You got that
and
on
I was
film?
still filming.
Good. Perfect.
Let's look at how bright it is outside and how little windows we have. Wow.
It's a beautiful day outside.
It's stunning. Then think about how we were just inside pitch black.
Yeah, should have opened the garage door.
Yeah.
I feel like it's bright in the shop until you go outside.
Yeah.
Obviously it was pitch black, so I'm a little disoriented now, but outside it is so bright, and you go inside and it feels dark.
It's so pretty out here.
What a lovely day. Okay, let's get the meal going again, and then let's go home.
Eric's so lucky to be golfing right now.
Yes, he's golfing again. Didn't I say that just
Yeah,
in a
you
recent
did.
video? That's okay, he can have fun. Spindle finally stopped. Yeah, let's get this ready again and get out of here.
You gonna do your night run?
Yep. Yep, definitely want to do that. Hopefully, normally the power only goes out when it's like lightning and thunder and all this crazy stuff. But it's perfect outside. I don't get it. I think the whole building's here.